All right, we're at another new renovation that we had just completed not too long ago, and where I'm standing is where a fireplace used to be. All right, that was the only tricky part of this project. Obviously converting the garage was tricky as well, but not as tricky as carefully removing a fireplace and keeping the breech for the oil burner. You can probably even hear it right now running. So we had to keep the flue for the oil burner, we removed the fireplace, and we opened up this wall. This wall was closed, and it was just living room here. So we opened up the wall, made it very inviting. We built a laminate floor. We installed this window. We removed the actual garage door here and installed the window. Because, Frank, we left the chimney, right? Here's the flue for the oil burner right now. We had this void. So instead of leaving it a void, we created this little dry bar. All custom. Moving over here, obviously you have a nice focal point. There's some custom cabinets. And our electric fireplace. And to heat and cool this new finished space, the Jitsu mini split.